Oh. Oh, fucking hell, what the fuck?
Add-on? So, do you want anything else? When I'm actually like, something inside me change about
219. Motor vehicle collision. 5300, 56, 98, Interstate.
Hey!
This gun's quad almost ran into us.
Whoa! Sir, you need to move! Sir, you need to move!
Driving too close to trucks on highways is a deadly mistake. Trucks have large blind spots, longer stopping distances, and can blow tyres or drop debris at any moment. Keep a safe distance. Your life depends on those extra meters.
You met someone else similar thing, but not from my hotel.
Oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Anybody behind us? Oh, no. Can I call 911? Yeah, sure.
Actually, a lot of backlash right now for this. It was boasting about a 17-unit God damn! I'm saying.
I'm going to come in and buy some shit. And then a few years ago, now I have money, but I can't afford, I made money. Go on.
Oh, shit!
We're out here on Highway 74. Damn. Damn. Yeah, bro. This girl, right? I was inside my house and heard her. She shoot. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Are you okay? Yeah. Damn. Let me go check on them real quick. You stay here. Get on the side of the road. Everybody all right?
I didn't see you.
Okay. Yeah, no, you're fine. They crashed. We gotta make sure they can see us.
Yeah.
Get the baby out. The side of the road. Yes, no one's on the way. Are you hurt at all?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay.
No one's in the car, right?
Bro, they were. You almost hit them. But she's all right. She's all right. You stay there, all right? Call 911 and inform them about another hit.